What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you this look today, so if you want to know how I achieved these results, stick around. So I've already done my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows so that we can get right into the eye look today, starting with primer, of course, and I will be using the e.l.f. Shadow Lock Eye Primer. For today's look, I'm going to be doing a blown out blue smoky eye, and for that I'm going to be using my Morphe 35b as well as the Beaute Vintage Dawn. Picking up my Morphe 35b, I'm going to use this pink blushy color here, and I'm going to use that as my transition color, so I'm blending that into my crease and up towards my eyebrow. Then I also bring that up into the front of my eyebrow to add definition. Next, I'll grab this sky blue color, also from the Morphe 35b, and I'm going to go over the pink that I just did for the most part, but I'm going to leave just a little peak of it at the top, and also I'm not going to cover up the pink that I placed just below my eyebrow. Now I'm going to grab this darker blue color from the Morphe 35b, and I'm going to go over that sky blue color, but not completely cover it. I still want a little bit of the sky blue tone to come through at the top, and this creates a really nice gradient effect as it moves towards the darker color, but still manages to look like all one blue. And you'll notice I switched out brushes because I don't like using one brush for more than two eyeshadows. I find that the eyeshadow tends to build up too much, and then I don't get as smooth of a blend as I'd like. So about every two shades, I like to switch to a new brush. But I did try to keep it along the same fluffiness as the first brush that I used. Now I'm grabbing the blue from the Beaute Vintage Dawn palette, and this is the main blue that pops. Now I want the pigment to be in the outer corner of my eye the most, so I begin it there, just in the crease, and bring it down to my lash line first before I start to bring that across my crease. Then once I have the eyeshadow in the places that I want the pigment to be the boldest, I begin to start to blow the look out by taking small bits of eyeshadow at a time, and with small sweeping gestures beginning to sweep the shadow out so it fades out really nicely from the highly pigmented areas. Then grabbing the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in color Oatmeal, I cut my crease by placing it on my eyelid and looking up to set the line for myself. Then once I have the line set, I take the rest of the concealer across my eyelid, but I'm only taking it halfway across my eyelid. If you're interested in a more in-depth half-cut crease tutorial, I'll make sure to link it up in the corner there so you can check it out after you finish this one. And if you don't think you have what it takes to do a half-cut crease, watch my tutorial, try it for yourself, and then say that, because the truth is you'll never know how easy it is to actually do until you try it. So I'm going to use the white eyeshadow from the Morphe 35b to set the concealer. I like to set my concealer when I do a half-cut crease with eyeshadow if I'm going in with a glitter afterwards. I find the glitter sticks better to a dry surface. Now for my lower lash line, I'm starting with the black color from the Morphe 35b, and I'm taking that along my lash line, but again, just starting the highest pigment in the corner. Then I'm going to blend out that black liner with the second blue that I used from the Morphe 35b palette. And this will really create a smoky, blown out effect on the overall eye. Now using the previously mentioned glitter liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f. This one's called Disco Queen. I'm going over top of my half cut crease. I also decided to add a little bit of liner in my waterline. That's just the Body Shop liner. And then I grabbed my Hank and Henry liquid liner so that I could put a little bit of eyeliner on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye, just to make my lashes blend a little more seamlessly into the look. Plus, leaving that middle portion of my eye open just makes it so that I have so much more open lid space. And that shows off so much more of that beautiful eyeshadow. And now I'll go finish the look. Et voila! This is the final product of my blown out blue eye, smoky eye. If you hadn't realized it yet, this is actually the makeup that I did for my second save money on makeup video, which I will link for you guys right here. You know, I don't always do blue eyeshadow, but when I do and it works, yes! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel since you're obviously feeling my vibe, so you should subscribe. It would also help me out a lot in my YouTube journey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. I will link for you guys